So hello everyone, and again welcome back to my channel Learn English with Rupa, and hope you all are doing great and commendable in your life. Guys, do you want to learn English? Yes, I am asking this question personally to you, not to me. So don't see here and there that what I am asking to you. Yes, do you want to learn English? You will say, of course, there is no doubt. Therefore, I have clicked on your video. Okay. So, I have one question for you. That is, are you give your 100%? Are you ready to give your 101%? Let me know. If you are ready, so this video will help you a lot, because in this video I am going to share you some tricks, methods that I followed in order to become like this in English, being in village area without paying a single money. And see, I know there are a lot of people on the earth, 99% people, when they start any new work, they give their 100 and 200%. See, when do you buy new, notebooks, clothes, flip-flop even, you want to wear that a lot, you want to write a lot, you want to read any book a lot, but as the time passes, your curiosity, your dedication, your passion, your zeal started decreasing. So you don't have to make yourself like that. Otherwise, you will never gonna become fluent. Why? Because this journey is quite long. It will take time and you will have to give. Because first of all, the environment in which you have, the environment in which you are living, that is totally different, and your environment will not help you even 1% to learn this language, because no one will gonna talk with you in English because you are from village area, and people will not help you. Even they can laugh on you, make fun of you. See, like, she is going to become Angrez and he is going to become Angrez. What the hell it is, man? You know, when I was in the 7th standard, I had I have remember one thing. There was one boy, so when I was doing practice, so her sister, she told her to learn him this language. He told that, I don't want to learn this language because I am Indian. It's okay, my dear friend, you are Indian. Where I am saying that you are not Indian. And because of this kind of mentality, India is not growing. India can never become a developed country until or unless people will not change their mentality. If I learn English, am I going to become like British? No. Like now you can see on the movie, like foreigners, they are adopting Indian culture, they are doing Ram Bhajan. So are they going to become Indian? No. What kind of mentality you have, my dear friend? You are in 2025 and such kind of mentality you have. And through this mentality you want to live in this era? Never ever. You will never live in the old. Therefore, it is really important to change your mentality. Alright? And see, if you want to learn this language, you will have to put hard work. See, like as a human, we are not a machine or robot that we will do hard work for 22 hours and for 24 hours, right? We need rest, right? So as a housewife, as a employee, it is quite difficult for you to learn this language, because after coming from job, do practice of English, talk to co-learner, take classes on the YouTube on your channel. It is quite difficult. And to make one video, we know very well, those who are YouTuber, they know very well that edit, make thumbnail and see all the thing. Like it takes actually 1 hour. But if you have dream, if you want to achieve something, you will have to leave your comfort zone. You will have to do something great. See, I can understand as a woman it is quite difficult for you to learn this language, my dear friend, because my mother, she is a homemaker. She get up at 4 o'clock, she goes to bed at 10 o'clock, and in this between like 4 to 10 she doesn't take rest. Yes, she doesn't take rest. And when does she go on bed? Like, she gets sleep so quickly because her body totally gets tired. So I can understand that you don't feel, but you will have to do, because this is your dream. No one will help you to achieve your dream. This is your dream. So you will have to take action. You will have to do hard work. No one is going to help you in this. Are you understanding my point? Are you understanding or not? Let me know. Yes. So you will have to do hard work. If you not do hard work, you are not going to achieve. So start doing hard work from now onwards. Start putting effort, and don't wait for right juncture, because right time never comes. Now you are saying tomorrow I will do practice of English, tomorrow I will do, and those who want to learn, those who are taking this language seriously, they are doing, and your day 1, day 2, day 3, this is passing just like this. You are trying to skip yourself, prohibit yourself, but no, this will give you only pain. Right now you are enjoying, you are skipping, but when you will go to search job, when you will not get job due to English, at that time you will realize that what is the value of English in your life. There are so many people who are learning this language because they are passionate, and so many people are learning this language because they have to go other country for a study purpose, for earning money. So right now they know what is the value of English. There was one man, and he was working in India, and I have done so many conversation with him as well. So he had to go foreign country, and his salary would become double than from India, and he did not go. He took time 5 months to learn English. He was so regretting that if I had learned